Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make YouTube video thumbnails and YouTube community post thumbnails using MS Paint in Windows. So without further delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Microsoft Paint software on your Raspberry Windows computer, and now just click on this resize option. Now just select this pixels. Now just unselect this maintain aspect ratio. Now just put a value in the horizontal box 1280, and under the particle box just put 720. So you need to put this value and click on OK. So we need to set this pixel ratio for the YouTube video thumbnails. Now you can add any colors for the backgrounds, and you can add a text, respective text or whatever, or any shapes you want to add here depending upon your needs. So this aspect ratio is for the YouTube video thumbnails. And now for the YouTube community post thumbnails, once again click on this resize option, select this pixels and just untick this maintain aspect ratio option. And now once again under the horizontal you can set 1600, and under the vertical also 1600, and click on OK. So this 1600 into 1600 pixel aspect ratio is for the YouTube community post thumbnails. And if you want a smaller size, still you can do, just click on this resize again, and you can set a 100 by 100 also depending upon your needs, or you can set a 500 to 500 also, whichever size is convenient for you. And the maximum is the 1600 to 1600 for the YouTube community post thumbnails. So by using this method you can easily make YouTube video thumbnails and YouTube community post thumbnails using MS Paint in Windows very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.